90% parents say no to physical classes in school online surveys. Chennai school gives free tablets to students to overcome digital divide. Schools ask for parents' income, leave many irked. Jharkhand Education Minister gives cars to class 10th, 12th state toppers. Tripura government to place over 9,000 SAC teachers in Group C and D posts. Teachers demand permanent alternative jobs. Amid pandemic, class 10-12 students appear for CBSE compartment exams. Why a lot of Gurugram parents do not want their children to return to school anytime soon. Good afternoon and a warm welcome. You're watching Education News Network, where we get you the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Sanya reporting from ENN, and the daily stories are: an overwhelming number of parents in the city are again sending their children back to school immediately. Online surveys and virtual meetings conducted by the schools have revealed. The thumping no from nearly 90% parents has come despite the schools explaining in detail the SOPs that are to be implemented, including attendance on alternate days for small groups, social distancing at all times, compulsory use of masks and gloves, frequent sanitization drives, etc. Chennai school gives free tablets to students to overcome digital divide. A school in Chennai has distributed tablets to 120 students of classes 9 to 12 for free in an attempt to bridge the digital divide as the coronavirus pandemic has shut down schools across the country. The Alcott Memorial Higher Secondary School teaches underprivileged children and charges no fees. It provides all supplies including uniforms to the students for free. Details such as parents' bank account details, annual income, and IT returns are being collected by several schools in the city and elsewhere in the state. While the schools are claiming that the data needs to be submitted to the Education Department officials or uploaded to Unified District Information System for Education, the official said that the data is not mandatory. Jharkhand School Education Literacy Department Minister Jagannath Mahato on Wednesday gifted cars to overall toppers of Class 10 and Class 12 board examinations conducted by the Jharkhand Academic Council at State Assembly premises in Ranchi. The stated purpose of doling out expensive gifts is to encourage government schools students to excel. A day after the Tripura's BJP IPFT government announced to provide jobs to nearly 9,000 terminated school teachers in Group C and Group D posts in various departments, the SAC teachers on Wednesday protested and demanded the government for a permanent alternative employment. The government also approved age relaxation for these terminated teachers till March 31, 2023. First time since the coronavirus outbreak, class 10 and 12 students appeared for the compartment exams of the CBSE across 7 centers in Ludhiana on Tuesday. Examinations for 6 subjects of class 12th and 1 subject for class 10th was held Tuesday. Students appeared for exams amid pandemic and schools were designated as exam centers had to follow guidelines issued by the government to ensure the safety of each candidate. It has been 6 months since their children went to school. The schools were shut abruptly one day in March when the country has started to hear about COVID-19. However, while some states had decided to reopen their schools earlier this week, not a lot of parents are keen on sending their wards to school anytime soon. While Assam, Himachal Pradesh and Andhra Pradesh are reopening schools outside containment zone for senior students, Haryana and Karnataka will allow their students to come to school for guidance. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, log on to our website www.theenn.com and do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Signing off, Sanya.